Hi friends, welcome to my Utkal Education YouTube channel. Today we will learn some daily use English sentence. किछि करा, do something, do something. तुमे सबु किछि जानिछ, you know everything, you know everything. मते विश्वास करा, believe me, believe me. मो मतरे, in my opinion, in my opinion. मो पाई अपेक्षा कर, wait for me, wait for me. निज बुद्धि प्रयोग कर, use your brain, use your brain. मु तुमको कथा देउची, I promise you, I promise you. आम सहित आस, come with us, come with us. मो सहित कथा हुआ, talk to me, talk to me. मु वर्तमान व्यस्त अछि, I am busy right now, I am busy right now. मु जानिछि, I know, I know. निजको नियंत्रण कर, control yourself, control yourself. मते पचार नहीं, don't ask me, don't ask me. मु तुमको कहि सारिछि, I already told you, I already told you. तुमर काम समाप्त कर, complete your work, complete your work. मते रगाओ नहीं, don't make me angry, don't make me angry. लाज कर नहीं, don't shy, don't shy. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.